right, Mopar people, welcome back to the channel. I'm JustMoparJoe, and I kind of got a interesting deal here. A guy that works with my brother actually sent me a message and said, this dude needs your help on a Mopar or whatever. So I contacted the dude, we talk, and come to find out he lives 15 minutes from my house, and he watches my channel. He's never met me before, and I had no idea. So it's a pretty small world. So we're gonna go check that out. See if I can help him out today. Sorry, my hair looks worse than ever. I've got to cut it or do something. It can't get any worse. But yeah, let's go check him out. He's got a pretty cool old Dodge truck. On my way to the old place, and what we got right there up under a car cover? Might be a little Mopar magic. I like it. So here's our 90 model Dodge D150, 150, right?
Yep, D150.
And this is Mr. Tim, he's our owner. And I'm gonna help him get this thing thrown back together. Let me see if I get it right. So the motor's been pulled, totally overhauled. Did you do a new cam?
No new cam.
No new cam. So we got new bearings, rings. Everything's been super clean. Look at it. It's amazing. We may throw some headers on here. We're gonna see if we can come up with some. Water pump, thermostat.
Yep.
All the little odds and ends. It's time to go back together with it. So that's what he's gonna get my help, and hopefully we'll get this thing knocked out. Won't be too bad. Am I missing anything?
No, I don't think so. First Mopar build for me, and just kind of towards the end, and kind of met Joe through a mutual friend, and he's been a really good contact and buddy, and I hope he considers me a friend now. But
oh yeah,
just Mopar brothers, and
you saw my channel before you ever
saw Joe's channel, watched all of his videos, most of all his videos, Blue Meanie and Red Sled, and it's a Charger with the fuel injection, or
Challenger
yep.
Yep.
With the fuel injection, where he went down to Mexico.
That's it.
And
it looks a lot like this terrain, for some reason.
Yeah.
It's weird.
Yeah. So yeah, I saw a lot of his videos, man. Really, guy knows what he's doing, and I think he comes from a good, his daddy was a big Mopar guy too. So, man, I'm glad that we've become friends, and hopefully we'll get this. Got to come up with a name. I don't know, some of you viewers out there, you got any names for the old 1990 Mexican hat trick, or what? I don't know what we call this thing, but
I'll do a walk around in a second so they can really fill it out. But if you wanted to guess a name, we can. I promise they'll come up with it. They are good for me with that, for sure.
Plans we got for this truck is just I just want to beat around town in it, and just kind of drive it around, let some people see it. You don't see a lot of these old trucks on the road anymore, and that's kind of something. I've always been a Mopar guy, so that's the plan for it now. Me and Joe have talked about future plans.
Maybe add a couple, or add another 100 cubic inches to it.
Yeah. Maybe get us a big 440 RV motor. I'm not spending $1,100, but you can find them out there cheaper than that. As you can see that on Joe's channel, where he talks about.
I'll put a link to that video.
Parts. Yeah, absolutely. So, yeah, plans for this in the future. Big block, but right now we just want to get it on the road and just drive it around a little bit, enjoy it, and then we'll do something a little bigger and better.
Sweet. Can I show them the inside? And
yeah, man.
Back? I thought that interior is pretty mint. Come on out of there. Original seat with that little bit of tear. Smells nice in there, man. He's gonna get it decked out. But
Yeah, I've got it all tore apart. Got the dash out. Got it cleaned up.
What's the dog's name?
Juan Carlos. That's Juan Carlos. He'll be maybe do a silhouette of him on the back window.
Nice.
So,
Man, we may have to name the truck that. I don't know.
that's a good idea.
That is kind of cool.
Put Juan Carlos on the big solid back glass.
Yeah. Sweet. So y'all let us know what you think.
See you guys.
All right, I'm JustMoparJoe, and this is Tim. We'll catch y'all next time. Thank y'all for watching.